Welcome back to Wakey Boats. I'm your pilot, Mike D. I have a small seasonably leased property near Biden Falls. Everybody likes to rip down the river and have a good time. But when you see a slow no wake sign, it's time to throttle back, because not far down the river, you can resume a safe speed, get back on plane, and zoom off to your destination. My little piece of paradise is right in the middle of a no-wake zone on a river in Delaware. Here are today's lucky contenders. You've seen the videos. What do you think? Is this a wake? Or is this not a wake? Please take a moment to comment below. These videos have no Patreon page, no product push, and are not sponsored. So please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you may resume a safe speed, captains. Thanks for watching.